Are you struggling to pick the right AI assistant? With so many out there, how do you pick the one that is best for you? It is no different than hiring your first employee, so let's look at how this can easily be done in a couple of steps.
All right, so you're ready to hire an AI assistant. But before we look at specific tools, let's nail down what your ideal AI employee needs to do. First, define the job. Are we talking about quick email drafting, coding assistance, or deep dive research? Or are you looking for an assistant to help you in your personal life, planning trips, helping with repairs, or maybe even learning a new tool? All of these are great ways to learn AI, but having some idea of what you want to use AI for will help you select the one that best suits you. Just a word of warning that I always like to stress: keep privacy in mind. Don't share photos, contracts, medical, or other information that you want to keep private. AIs typically use your data for training, and in some cases, AI may share your data. In fact, recently, ChatGPT removed a feature where user chats were shared with Google Search. A few times I have also had odd answers from various chatbots that turned out to be data from other people's chats. So just be careful what you share. Here's the critical part. Start simple. Don't throw customer support at a chatbot on day one. Get comfortable with basic tasks, build that confidence, and understand the tool's limits before you scale up. Think of it as a trial period for your digital hire. Personally, I've leveraged AI to revolutionize my own research. Instead of sifting through countless web pages for legal or financial questions like I used to, I now get quick answers. Just remember, AI is a powerful starting point, but always verify critical information. To help you make your decision, I asked ChatGPT agent to generate some comparison slides. Yes, I do use the tools I discuss on the channel. I discussed the ChatGPT agent capability in my video, "Is This the Future of AI Assistants?" linked below. You can grab a copy of these slides from my website. Let's start with ChatGPT. This is the AI that truly took the internet by storm, and for many, it's the first thing that comes to mind when they hear AI. It excels as a versatile, general-purpose chatbot, adept at a wide range of tasks, from brainstorming to drafting simple communications. When you're hiring any AI assistant, including ChatGPT, the process is much like defining job requirements for a new employee. You need to identify your absolute must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. For your initial ventures into AI, I recommend keeping your scope fairly simple and focused. AI is a powerful helper, but at this stage, I wouldn't advise letting it completely finish critical tasks on its own. You'll want to build confidence and understanding first, then gradually expand its responsibilities as you gain experience. For those just getting started, diving into the free tiers is an excellent way to get your feet wet. While most free plans don't offer direct access to external applications like email or document connectors, they're perfect for exploring AI's capabilities. Try using ChatGPT to plan an awesome hypothetical vacation, or even to research an initial business idea. If you're curious about real-world applications and how I personally put ChatGPT to the test, you might want to watch my video, "What Happened When I Tried ChatGPT for Real-Life Problems?" And for a deeper, more candid look at AI's limitations when life throws unexpected curveballs, stay tuned in a few weeks for another video. We'll delve into how ChatGPT handled planning a truly ambitious trip of a lifetime, and why that journey proved to be unexpectedly challenging, both personally and professionally. Next up is Claude. This AI assistant has quickly become one of ChatGPT's biggest competitors and has certainly built a formidable following. Claude truly excels in written communication, from crafting precise emails and memos to generating detailed technical documents. It's also widely regarded as one of the top choices for programmers, thanks to its advanced coding capabilities. However, it's crucial to address a significant challenge with Claude. Over the past few months, they've been consistently adjusting the usage limits across their various tiers. This unpredictability can be a real problem for professionals who rely on consistent, high-volume AI interaction. It highlights a potential trend we might see with all these powerful AI tools as their user bases grow. Pricing models and access rules could continue to evolve, impacting your workflow and budget. Personally, I've found Claude invaluable for refining my written communications. For example, I frequently use it to ensure the wording in my emails is just right, striking the perfect tone and clarity. But here's another reason Claude stands out for me, and it touches on a topic we discussed earlier: privacy. Among the major AI models, Claude has demonstrated a more robust approach to user data privacy. While it's always wise to be judicious with any information you share with any AI, Claude's architecture and policies give me more confidence, especially when dealing with sensitive business communications. You might be surprised just how much other AI models can infer about you from your prompts, but Claude offers a different perspective on that front. If you're interested in seeing more real-world examples of Claude in action and how it's genuinely come through for me in critical situations, make sure to check out my video, Here's When Claude AI Saves the Day. You'll find the link in the description. And looking ahead, next week we'll take a deeper dive into training your AI assistant. This is where we'll explore the critical skill of prompt engineering, understanding how to properly train these AI tools to give you the precise results you need, making your AI assistants truly work for you. Now, let's turn our attention to Gemini. If you're integrated into the Google ecosystem, using Gmail, Google Workspace, or Google Search, Gemini seamlessly extends that experience. It's designed to be deeply embedded, making it a very strong contender for an overall AI tool, perhaps even surpassing ChatGPT for users already within Google's world. Gemini also offers robust capabilities for image generation and video, often providing excellent results in these creative domains. And its standout feature, in my opinion, is its ability to interact with your desktop via AI Studio or on your mobile device. It can literally look over your shoulder to guide you through software or even help you troubleshoot a physical problem. Google recently introduced Opal, a new tool designed for creating AI-driven orchestrations, sequences of steps where AI can perform more complex actions on your behalf. While Opal is still in beta and currently limited in scope, it gives us a glimpse into the future of advanced AI orchestration. If you're just starting with AI, I'd suggest holding off on Opal until you're more comfortable with core AI assistants. However, for experienced AI users, Opal is definitely worth exploring to see how AI can be leveraged for sophisticated automated orchestrations. For a more in-depth look at Gemini's capabilities and how it's changing the AI landscape, I covered it in my video, Google Gemini Just Changed the AI Game, with a link in the description. Finally, there is Perplexity, another good overall tool, especially if you want to do research. Perplexity's standout feature is you can try each of the other AIs within the AI chatbot, but that capability is only available in Perplexity's paid tiers. In their free tier, you can only use Perplexity's own model. Perplexity was covered last week in the video Can One AI Tool Really Do It All? Hopefully, this helps you pick the assistant that will work best for you. And as promised, these are the tools I use and why. I use Perplexity for simple research, shopping, and cooking. I currently have a paid Perplexity account, but because of a promotion from Xfinity, I received a year of Perplexity for free. When the year is up in a few months, I don't plan to renew it because I really don't use it enough to pay for it. I use ChatGPT for normal everyday requests, including game-playing advice, although it is not great at picking which Pokémon I should use in 7-star raid battles in Pokémon Scarlet. I also use ChatGPT exclusively on my mobile device because I like the way I can interact with it on the phone. ChatGPT has an easy-to-use and interruptible back-and-forth dialogue style that some of the others don't have. I use Claude for coding, writing, and technical documents. It does a good job of fixing my draft scripts without extensively rewriting them. I use Gemini for my business, images and videos, and I use Grok for questions that need recent information, since it gets a lot of real-time information from X and Twitter. You do not need to settle on one, and you don't have to have a paid plan to use AI. I have a link in the description where you can get a slide generated by ChatGPT agent that compares ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude, and also compares their free and paid tiers. I would recommend playing with them on their free tier. See which ones you like, and if you need to, try a paid plan if you can't do what you want with the free plan. Next week, we will take a deeper dive to help you get more out of your AI by understanding how to ask the AI for information. Once the AI has an understanding of what you want and how you want the information presented, you will be surprised at the results you will get. Until next week.